Yes, TCL command, transaction control language, will call as a TCL command. In that, three commands are there: commit, rollback, and save point. First, we'll see the commit command. Commit command is used to permanently save any transaction into the database, and the syntax will be commit semicolon. Next, rollback command. This command is used to restore the database to which is lastly committed state. We call that one as a rollback command, and the syntax will be rollback to save point name. You have to take rollback into save point name which we have saved in that name. Next, save point command. Save point command is used for the temporarily save any transaction in your database. We'll call that one as the save point command, and the command syntax for this command is save point name semicolon will be taken. We'll see a small example. Have taken here a create table. Table name is the S1. Int id will be the integer of range. You can take any range. If you have taken any range, it's okay, or else by default it will be getting in your table. Then name character, data type is a character, 30 range I have taken, and semicolon. Disk table name is a S1. Again you will be displaying this table. After that you have to take the start transaction. Our transaction will start here. Then I'm inserting the values. Insert into S1, table name is S1, values, the value is 1, then AA I have given the name for the name of that table, name of in that. Then I am saving this one, save point to A. This will be saved temporarily. Then I am inserting another value to S1 table only, insert into S1 values 2. I am taken another name as a BBB. Then I am saving as a save point B. Then I am inserting one more value, insert into S1 value 3 CC, the name I have given, save point will be C. Then we'll check the rollback for this one. Before that we'll see the table. After inserting, this table will be displaying ID 1 2 3, the names are AA, BB and CC. For this which I have saved the save point C, we'll see the rollback for this one. Rollback to C. Rollback to C means all these three will be saved. Yes, see, rollback to C means all the three IDs will be saved. If I take rollback to B, up to B all values will be saved. The table will be displaying like this, AA, BB. Then I'll make to rollback to A, only one number will be saying. Rollback to A, select star from S1, then you will be displaying this table if we do the rollback. If you want to do the commit for this, commit semicolon enter and view the table, select star from S1, this will be displaying. Before we should not do the commit, because if we do the commit permanently this table will be saving. That's why the commit should be done after your rollback save point.